Like the black on black and like dark and mysterious. Like, oh my god, who is she? I want to get to know her.
Yeah, I'ma grind forever. Green mean gold, I'ma go get it. They say forever is a long time. As long as I get it, best believe it, we gon' be fine. Now I'm on your line, demanding for attention, trying to make you mine. Girl, no waste time, saying that I'm playing, girl, I know did wine. I ain't never running out of love.
Hey peoples, so today I'm gonna try this wig I got off Amazon. It's called Dashley in Unit 28, and I got this wig in color 2. I feel like I do a lot of blonde wigs, a lot of bright wigs, so we're gonna be basic today. We're just gonna do black. So this is a full lace wig, which I love because the lace that is on this wig is already kind of tinted. It's not white like some synthetic wigs. It's already looking cute. And it also has 3 combs, 2 on the sides and 1 on the back, and it is big head friendly. It comes with drawstring, and you know I got a big head, so this wig definitely is big head friendly. I'm already loving the way it looks and feels, so it's time to try it on. I added a little bit of brown powder on the lace, and I've also cut it off with a razor blade. Since it is kind of a yucky texture, I feel like it's a little on the dry side, so I left in some leave-in conditioner to soften up the hair. It does look really thick on the package and on the girl, but when you get it in person, it's a little on the thinner side. But since it's hot, I guess that works out. I would say this is about 120, 130 density, maybe 150. It could be, but it's definitely not 180. I'm gonna customize this wig, and I'm gonna come back to show y'all how it looks when I did my little magic on it. So. I'm not gonna say I love the hair. I'm gonna give this hair like a 7 out of 10 just because I don't really like the way the curls fall. The curls look slightly different, but what I will say, it is a quick go-to wig. This hair kind of does shed just a little bit. Yeah, it sheds quite a bit. I would say if you wear this wig for like 1 to 2 weeks, you're good. I do think it's cute. I will go out like this, obviously, because I already spent my coins. What y'all think? I think I kind of like it. I think I look a little like the black on black and like dark and mysterious. Like, oh my god, who is she? I want to get to know her kind of vibes. I don't know. That's it for my wig review. Thanks for tuning in. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, and don't disrespect me, stupid. See y'all in my next video. Bye.
I don't really want to chat today, but I got a lot of bills to pay, and these things just keep coming my way. I really wish I could find a different